All right, let's just state the obvious. AI is completely changing the game for students. It's happening right now. And really, the big question isn't if you should be using AI. It's which tools you absolutely need to master to, stay ahead of the curve.
Yeah, education has changed forever. It's not some far-off future thing. By 2026, this is just reality. Students are learning way faster, their projects are smarter, and it's all thanks to these incredible AI partners. Honestly, that old way of pulling all-nighters and just cramming for exams, it's basically obsolete. So, that leads to the million-dollar question, right? Which AI should you even bother with first? I get it. There are a ton of tools out there, and it can feel totally overwhelming. But hey, don't worry. That's exactly why we're here. We're going to break down the absolute must-haves for you.
Okay, let's dive right in. First on our list is what I like to call the personal tutor. This is your foundation, the tool that's basically like having an expert by your side 24/7 for literally any subject you can think of.
And that tool is, you guessed it, ChatGPT. Seriously, think of it as the ultimate study buddy. There's a reason it's #1 in education. It's not just about spitting out answers. It's about explaining the hard stuff, the really complex concepts, in a way that just clicks for you.
And the stuff students are using it for, it's amazing. You're stuck on a math problem, it'll give you step-by-step help. Your essay feels a little weak, it'll give you feedback that takes it to the next level. It can even whip up a personalized study schedule or create practice questions for your next big test. And that's the real magic, isn't it? It just replaces that feeling of confusion with instant clarity. You know that moment when your brain just hits a wall on a tough topic? Poof, it's gone in seconds. That means you can just keep moving, keep learning without getting stuck.
All right, next up, #2, the smart reader. Let's be real, one of the biggest headaches for any student is that giant pile of reading you have to do, right? We're talking mountains of PDFs and articles.
Okay, this is where it gets really cool. The tool here is Notebook LM. Now, unlike a regular search engine that just scours the whole internet, Notebook LM only learns from the files you give it. So you upload your lecture notes, those super dense research papers, maybe even a whole textbook, and bam, it becomes an expert on your class materials. And how you can use this is just, wow. Need a quick summary of a 50-page PDF? No problem. You want it to automatically create flashcards from your notes? It can do that. It'll pull out all the key definitions and can even generate the bullet points for your next presentation. Insanely useful.
So what does this all add up to? It means you're not spending hours and hours just reading. You're getting straight to the point, to the stuff you actually need to know. It's a huge time saver and, honestly, a massive advantage.
Okay, #3 on our list is the built-in assistant. This one is all about convenience. It's not some other website you have to go to. This AI is built right into the software you're probably already using every single day.
We're talking about Microsoft Copilot. It puts AI right inside Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. What does that mean for you? It means you can create stuff, analyze data, design entire presentations, all without ever leaving the app you're in. It's totally seamless.
Just picture this for a second. You type a simple prompt and it builds an entire PowerPoint for you, images and all. Or you're in Excel and you can just ask it to analyze a bunch of data and make the charts for you, instantly. The amount of time this saves is just staggering.
And look at this! Assignments that used to take 6 hours, we're now talking about 25 minutes. That isn't just a little bit faster, it's a complete revolution in how you get your work done.
All right, let's switch gears and talk about something critical for school, research. We all know the internet is just full of junk, right? Well, our fourth tool, the Credible Researcher, is designed to cut through all that noise and give you answers you can actually trust.
Yeah, check out this comparison. The old way, with Google, you'd get a huge list of links and you'd have to figure out what's good. The new way, with a tool like Perplexity AI, is different. It gives you a straight-up answer, a summary, and this is the most important part for school, it gives you the citations. It shows you its sources.
This is a total game changer for writing essays. You can find trustworthy references in a snap, you can fact-check anything, and you can even ask it to, say, compare 2 different scientific papers. And everything has a source link. It's incredible.
Look, this is absolutely the future of research. It's fast and it's credible. It's not just a better search engine. It's a whole new, much higher standard for doing your schoolwork right.
And finally, #5, the Creative Engine.
So far, we've talked a lot about text and data, but for our last tool, we're diving into the world of visuals. Because being creative isn't just a bonus anymore, it's a required skill, and AI is making it accessible to absolutely everyone.
We're talking about tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. These are AI image generators. It's pretty simple. You just type a description of an image you want, and the AI creates it for you. A beautiful, high-quality visual. It's honestly like having a pro designer in your pocket.
And what can you use this for as a student? Oh man, the list is endless. Custom graphics to make your presentations pop. A seriously cool cover page for your next big report. Visual aids that actually help you remember things. You could even design awesome posters for school events.
And here's the bottom line. Every student is now a designer. You don't need an art degree. This is what it's all about, making creativity available to everyone. It completely levels the playing field.
So let's recap. That's it, the complete AI tool belt for any student heading into 2026. You've got your personal tutor with ChatGPT, your smart reader with Notebook LM, your built-in assistant with Copilot, your credible researcher in Perplexity, and your creative partner with tools like Leonardo. It's the whole package.
So your AI partners are ready. The big question is, are you? Because the students who really get the hang of these tools, they're going to learn faster, create better projects, and just be more confident. The future of education is already here. What an amazing time to be a student.